In today's video, I'll show you how to set business hours in Acuity Scheduling step by step. If you want to control when clients can book appointments and make sure your schedule stays organized, this setup is essential. First, log into your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, open the Availability section from the left-hand menu. This is where all your scheduling hours are controlled. Now you'll see your default availability settings. Click on the option that lets you edit or set weekly hours. Next, choose the days you want your business to be open. For each selected day, set your start time and end time. For example, you might set Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and leave weekends blank if you're closed. If you want different hours for different services or staff members, you can customize availability separately for each calendar. You can also add breaks or blocked time, so certain hours are not available for bookings, even during business hours. Once you've set everything correctly, click Save Settings to apply your business hours. Now your booking page will only show available time slots within your defined business hours. Before finishing, preview your scheduling page to confirm that clients can only book within the correct time range. If your schedule changes later, you can always come back and update your business hours anytime. And that's it. You've successfully set business hours in Acuity Scheduling and taking control of your booking availability. And that's how you set business hours in Acuity Scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.